Yo, what's going on? We back for another workout. We're here at LA Fitness. I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, Steve Pierre in the building. Yes, sir. Today we got a primarily upper body workout. It's going to consist of a couple of circuits. We're going to hit abs in there and maybe a little accessory legs. And at the end, we're going to do a little boxing burnout. Steve knows little training drills and different things like that. He's had some training in the gym, so he's gonna teach me a couple things. So let's get it.
Hey, yo, stop playing with my shit, man. Live from the 732, you know. Hey, know that. Hey, whoa. Too much fake might get in my bag. All them nights they put in my back. All them days I was down so bad. Run my life and put it on wax. That low Mac, man, I got your back. I can't sleep and I will not slack. The world is yours and it's up for grabs. And it's just like that, and it's just like that. Just heads down and I just white dab. Give my cash, I don't want no dap. Break her back and I kill her cat. Get good head, I don't get attached. Don't regret nothing in my past. Give no fucks, I'm just like my dad. In my Duffy, I'm in my bag. And I'm in my bag, and I'm in my bag. I'm so turned like it is my last. All my CDs they throw in the trash. Mine like Joe, gonna make it stack. Not my bro when you not my slack. Straight from the F, now we on the map. TSD going up on the graph. I got bros you don't wanna spaz. Switch lanes with 2 O's on the dash. Too much fake might get in my bag. All them knives they put in my back. All them days I was down so bad. Wrap my life and put it on wax. Hello Mac, man, I got your back. I can't sleep and I will not slack. The world is yours and it's up for grabs. And it's just like that, and it's just like that. Told myself I'ma live my life with no regret. Yeah, big blunts and big smoke in the air is good, it's steady. Okay, baby girl, please don't try to play me, cause I'm petty. Yeah, when you look in my eyes, you gon' tell that I'm ready. Yeah, gotta watch all my eyes. Ayy, haters wanna get me not. Ayy, you can see all my scars on my back. I've been through a lot. Ayy, well you gotta pay your dues if you wanna get lit or you wanna get hot. Ayy, I ain't even had no doubt. Soon one day we gon' touch the top. Too much fake might get in my back. All them nights they put in my back. All them days I was down so bad. Run my life and put it on wax. Hello Mac, man, I got your back. I can't sleep and I will not slack. The world is yours and it's just like that. And it's just like that, and it's just like that. From the jump, I'm too legit. I've been hungry since a jit. On my team, I never switch. We been loyal for a grip. Hit the stew and make a hit. All my life, I never miss. For the bag, I take a risk. Watch me take it to the crib. Get your bread and make it stack. Put in work or hit the trap. Either way, just get the racks. I get bread without the tax. I'm too hot, I need to mac. About to take them to the max. My folks said you wear your mask. Don't expect if you don't ask. Too much fake might get in my bag. All them nights they put in my back. All them days I was down so bad. Run my life and put it on wax. Hello Mac, man, I got your back. I can't sleep and I will not slack. The world is yours and it's just like that. And it's just like that, and it's just like. Too much fake might get in my bag. All them nights they put in my back. All them days I was down so bad. Run my life and put it on wax. Hello Mac, man, I got your back. I can't sleep and I will not slack. The world is yours and it's just like that. And it's just like that. And it's just like that.
Try to go forward and then back and just see how it feels. If it's crazy, then take your time with it, yep. Yes, sir, Steve. I like it. wraps up the workout. Your boy Igude out with another banger, Purified Hustle. If you guys like content like this, I'm gonna be dropping more informative workout, health tips, and the infotainment on the way. With that being said, it's your boy Igude out with another banger. Yeah.